In this video lesson, you will learn how to use the method of symbols or signs when drawing a sitting figure from life.
3 Ways of Life Drawing by Vladimir London. Part 2. Symbol. In this video, we continue to explore different ways of life drawing. This time, you will discover how to use symbols when drawing models. The second sitting figure in this 3-figure artwork will be depicted using a more intuitive way, which is based on recognizing and using visual signs that a pose can be correlated with. The model is sitting on a chair, and you can spend a moment thinking what sign or graphic element the pose reminds you of. To me, this pose resembles a Japanese character that means direction. The mirror image of this symbol in red coincides with the model's pose. Of course, you don't have to use Japanese characters. It could be anything you imagine. One pose can resemble the sail of a ship, another might look like a bow, or maybe the branches of a tree. Whatever comes to your mind. This is a rather intuitive way of drawing a model. It works well not only because I imagined the symbol, but mainly because I'm using, on autopilot, all the knowledge and experience of drawing correct anatomy and proportions. The line of the shoulders and arms is horizontal in this pose. The back portion of the deltoid originates from that spine of the shoulder blade, and the middle portion comes from the acromion. The 7th vertebra is an important landmark in the backside view. This is where the neck ends and the ribcage begins. Another important muscle in this view is the widest muscle of the back. Its triangular shape spans from one upper arm to the other. At the bottom, this muscle originates from the sacrum. The top edge of this muscle always covers the lower ends of the shoulder blades. The boxer's muscle connects the ribcage and the shoulder blade. I will mark in few outlines the hairstyle and the head.